Launching a product on Amazon can be a daunting task, especially for those new to the platform. With countless sellers vying for the attention of shoppers, standing out from the crowd requires a well-thought-out strategy and careful execution. Fortunately, with the right guidance and tools at your disposal, navigating the complexities of product launching becomes much more manageable. At AMZ Product Launcher, we understand the challenges that sellers face when trying to break into the Amazon marketplace. That's why we've developed the ultimate guide to launching your Amazon products, designed to help you achieve success and maximize your sales potential. 1. Research and planning. The first step in launching your Amazon product is conducting thorough research to identify profitable opportunities and understand your target market. Utilize tools like Jungle Scout or Helium 10 to analyze market trends, assess competition, and validate product ideas. Once you've narrowed down your options, develop a comprehensive launch plan outlining key milestones, timelines, and budget considerations. 2. Product optimization. Optimizing your product listing is crucial for attracting customers and driving conversions on Amazon. Pay close attention to keyword research and incorporate relevant terms into your title, bullet points, and product description to improve visibility in search results. Additionally, optimize your images, pricing, and product attributes to enhance the overall shopping experience and differentiate your offering from competitors. 3. Launch strategy. A successful product. Launch requires a strategic approach to generate momentum and stimulate sales. Consider utilizing Amazon's early reviewer program or running promotional campaigns to incentivize purchases and garner positive reviews. Leverage social media, email marketing, and influencer partnerships to increase visibility and drive traffic to your listing during the launch phase. 4. Monitoring and optimization. Once your product is live on Amazon, it's essential to monitor performance metrics closely and make adjustments as needed to optimize your strategy. Track key indicators such as sales velocity, conversion rates, and customer feedback to identify areas for improvement and capitalize on emerging trends. Continuously iterate on your approach to stay competitive and adapt to changing market conditions. Launching your Amazon products with AMZ Product Launcher is the key to unlocking your full selling potential on the world's largest e-commerce platform. By following our comprehensive guide and leveraging our expertise, you can navigate the complexities of product launching with confidence and achieve your business goals. For more detailed guidance, resources, and personalized support to launch and grow your Amazon business, don't hesitate to visit us and we can help you find your first product and help launch it on Amazon. You can also simply Google AMZ Product Launcher to find us. We're here to help you navigate every step of your Amazon selling journey. Thank you for tuning in, and remember, your successful Amazon journey starts here at AMZ Product Launcher.